Dorset Lager. Bloody hell.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go. I tell you what, it feels like somebody's got a flamethrower.
Lovely and fruity initially. Starting to get hot.
Not hot, Richard?
Hotter. Throat's burning now. Eyes start to water.
I tell you what,
Throat's really burning now.
it's bloody
Stomach's hurting now.
do, you want a glass of milk or something?
Oh, wait, mate.
Are you going to do one, Helen?
Really kicking it out. It's getting worse now. God, throat's killing me. No longer fruity, very, very horrible. I wish I'd never had taken this challenge. Oh God, it's getting worse and worse.
Are they the hottest chilies in the world?
Yeah. God, like, really kicking it now. Eyes start to water, pain's getting worse, very painful.
That'll do, won't it?
Yeah, that'll do it.